Hi, welcome to Flower of the Day series. Today's flower is called the Clover flower. This is a very special and interesting flower that helps anyone who is very empathetic in nature. Most of the times we tend to observe other people's energies as our energy and develop many anxiety or emotional issues within ourselves. This particular flower helps releasing all those emotionally lower frequencies and imbalances in our system and helps us in bringing us into a centered state, balancing our emotions and step ourselves with ease into an expanded state of consciousness. Now, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath. Visualize the clover flower in front of you, enveloping in and around of your body with these energies, giving yourself an emotional shield around you, clearing away any and all lower frequency energies. Centering our mind and body, balancing all our emotions, bringing much needed peace into us. Take a deep breath and feel the ease with which we step into an expanded level of consciousness. Wonderful. Now take a deep breath and gently open your eyes. I'm Deepika, a floral alchemist and an intuitive energy healer. Do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.